the sauna, and if you enjoy your coffee or tea on the go, you will love this stainless steel cup from Borosil. It is perfect for travel container and you can enjoy your favorite beverage whenever you want to. This travel-made cup is thoughtfully designed to prevent spillage and retain your drink's temperature, whether hot or cold. It features double-walled insulation and copper coating that keeps any drink hot for 8 hours and chilled for 14 hours so that you can take your favorite beverage anywhere without worries. The outer layer is made with premium quality stainless steel, making it sturdy and durable. If all this wasn't enough, it also comes with a 1-year warranty. Enjoy your favorite beverage without any worries or hassle. So go ahead and grab your cup of tea today.